Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. 12 clippers you should not buy as a professional barber. So make sure to watch the full video. As a professional barber, the tools you use play a significant role in the quality of your work and the satisfaction of your clients. When it comes to clippers, it's essential to invest in reliable, high-quality options that can withstand the demands of a professional barbershop. While there are numerous clippers available in the market, not all of them are suitable for professional use. In this detailed guide, we will discuss 5 clippers that you should avoid purchasing as a professional barber, providing you with insights to make informed decisions and ensure the best outcomes for your clients. 12 cheap and low-quality clippers. One of the primary pitfalls to avoid is purchasing clippers that are extremely inexpensive or of questionable quality. While the affordability of these clippers might be tempting, they often lack the necessary power, durability, and precision required for professional use. Cheap clippers may have weaker motors that struggle to cut through thick or coarse hair, leading to uneven results and potential discomfort for your clients. Additionally, these clippers are prone to breakage and may not offer consistent performance over time. As a professional barber, it is crucial to invest in high-quality clippers that will last and provide reliable performance. 11. Lack of adjustable blade lengths. A crucial aspect of barbering is the ability to customize haircuts to match your client's preferences. Clippers with limited or fixed blade lengths restrict your versatility as a professional. Opt for clippers that offer adjustable blade lengths, allowing you to easily switch between different cutting lengths with the flick of a lever or the attachment of different combs or guards. This versatility enables you to execute various styles, from precise fades to longer scissor over comb techniques. Having adjustable blade lengths at your disposal enhances your creativity and ensures client satisfaction. 10. Clunky and inefficient maintenance. Proper maintenance of your clippers is essential to their longevity and optimal performance. However, some clippers can be challenging to clean and maintain, leading to inefficiencies and potential malfunctions. Look for clippers that are designed with easy maintenance in mind. Removable and washable blades, along with detachable parts, simplify the cleaning process, ensuring proper hygiene and preventing hair buildup that can affect performance. Clippers that come with maintenance accessories such as cleaning brushes and blade oil make it convenient to keep your tools in top shape. Efficient maintenance practices save you time and effort, allowing you to focus on delivering exceptional haircuts. 9. Outdated models. In the ever-evolving world of grooming tools, it's important to stay up to date with the latest advancements. Outdated clipper models, although they may have served well in the past, may not offer the features and improvements found in newer options. Technology in clippers has advanced rapidly, introducing features such as adjustable blade lengths, ergonomic designs, cordless operation, and powerful motors that provide smoother, more precise cuts. By investing in modern clippers, you can offer your clients an enhanced experience, staying ahead of the competition and ensuring your skills are supported by cutting-edge tools. 8. Consumer-grade clippers. While consumer-grade clippers may be suitable for occasional home use, they often fall short when it comes to the demands of a professional barbershop. These clippers are typically designed with cost-effectiveness in mind, sacrificing power and durability for affordability. They may not have the necessary motor strength to handle long hours of continuous use or to cut through different hair textures effectively. Professional-grade clippers, on the other hand, are specifically engineered to meet the demands of barbers, providing superior power, precision, and longevity. Investing in professional-grade clippers will enable you to deliver consistent, high-quality cuts, ensuring client satisfaction and building a strong reputation. 7. Clippers with limited accessories. Versatility is a crucial aspect of being a professional barber. Clients come to you with various hair lengths, textures, and styles, and it's essential to have the tools to accommodate their preferences. Some clippers come with a limited range of accessories and attachments, which can hinder your ability to provide tailored services. Look for clippers that offer a wide selection of combs, guards, and blades. This diversity will allow you to adapt to different cutting techniques, provide precise fades, and cater to the unique needs of each client. The ability to offer a wide range of styles and customization options will set you apart as a skilled and versatile professional. 6. Unreliable brands. When choosing clippers for professional use, it's important to consider the reputation and reliability of the brand. Lesser-known or unreliable brands may offer clippers that are enticing due to their lower prices, but they may lack the quality and durability necessary for professional use. Opting for reputable brands that have a track record of producing high-quality grooming tools is a wise decision. Research customer reviews, seek recommendations from fellow barbers, and look for brands that are trusted within the professional barbering community. Investing in clippers from reputable brands will provide you with peace of mind, knowing that you are using reliable tools that can consistently deliver exceptional results. 5 clippers with inadequate blade quality. The quality of the blades in your clippers significantly impacts the cutting experience and the final results. Clippers with subpar blades may lead to pulling or tubbing of hair, resulting in discomfort for your clients. Dull or low-quality blades can also cause uneven cuts, requiring more time and effort to achieve the desired style. It is crucial to invest in clippers with high-quality, sharp blades that can glide smoothly through hair, ensuring a clean and precise cut. Look for blades made from durable materials such as stainless steel or ceramic, as they tend to offer superior cutting performance and longevity. 4 heavy and cumbersome clippers. As a professional barber, you will be holding and working with clippers for extended periods. Choosing heavy and bulky clippers can lead to hand fatigue and discomfort, affecting your performance and efficiency. Opt for clippers that are lightweight and ergonomically designed, allowing for a comfortable grip and easy maneuverability. A well-balanced clipper will enable you to maintain control and precision throughout the haircutting process, minimizing strain on your hands and wrists. Your comfort and ease of handling are crucial for delivering consistent and professional results. 3 clippers with limited battery life. For barbers who prefer cordless clippers, battery life becomes a significant factor to consider. Clippers with limited battery life can interrupt your workflow, requiring frequent recharging or resulting in incomplete haircuts. Look for cordless clippers with long-lasting battery performance, ideally ones that offer several hours of runtime on a single charge. This ensures that you can complete multiple haircuts without interruption, providing seamless service to your clients. Additionally, clippers with fast charging capabilities can be advantageous, as they minimize downtime between sessions. 2 lack of adjustable blade lengths. A crucial aspect of barbering is the ability to customize haircuts to match your client's preferences. Clippers with limited or fixed blade lengths restrict your versatility as a professional. Opt for clippers that offer adjustable blade lengths, allowing you to easily switch between different cutting lengths with the flick of a lever or the attachment of different combs or guards. This versatility enables you to execute various styles, from precise fades to longer scissor over comb techniques. Having adjustable blade lengths at your disposal enhances your creativity and ensures client satisfaction. 1 clunky and inefficient maintenance. Proper maintenance of your clippers is essential to their longevity and optimal performance. However, some clippers can be challenging to clean and maintain, leading to inefficiencies and potential malfunctions. Look for clippers that are designed with easy maintenance in mind. Removable and washable blades, along with detachable parts, simplify the cleaning process, ensuring proper hygiene and preventing hair buildup that can affect performance. Clippers that come with maintenance accessories such as cleaning brushes and blade oil make it convenient to keep your tools in top shape. Efficient maintenance practices save you time and effort, allowing you to focus on delivering exceptional haircuts. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.